Benefits of figs for women. Figs benefits for female fertility. Figs. Figs have been believed to increase fertility since the time of ancient Greeks, and now we have scientific evidence. Figs contain a lot of iron, which is important for healthy eggs. The one mineral which is very important for all of us and mostly growing women is iron. Figs both fresh and dry are an excellent source of iron. Figs are a powerhouse of nutrients like potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper, antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin L which can contribute to overall health and wellness. Anjir or figs are a great source of calcium, potassium, and essential vitamins. Know the benefits of figs for women in particular. Whether figs are fresh or dried, they are a good source of calcium, manganese, fiber, potassium, zinc, and vitamin B6. Fully ripened fresh figs contain the most antioxidants. They help to protect the heart and lower blood pressure because they contain a good amount of potassium. If you are actively trying to lower your BMI in preparation for fertility treatment, or if you are just watching your weight, figs are very useful to include in your diet as they are high in fiber and help to keep you feeling full. Figs can help with male fertility in that they have been shown to increase the motility and number of sperm. Figs are the next superfruit. Growing on the ficus tree, it is usually available to us as fresh or dried figs. You would be amazed to know the nutritive content of the fig fruit, or anjir as we commonly call it. It is packed with potassium, manganese, vitamin B6, copper, pantothenic acid and a whole lot of fiber. It helps prevent postmenopausal breast cancer. Fruits rich in fiber are always good to prevent breast cancers. One serving of figs together can provide a total of 5 grams of fiber out of the 25 grams of fiber that women need to consume every day. Fiber, in turn, drastically cuts down the risk of breast cancer. It is anti-diabetic. This is true for only fresh figs. Dried figs have a whole amount of concentrated sugar and hence should be consumed judiciously by diabetics. It is the potassium content in figs that helps to regulate the blood sugar level in the body. Fig leaves are also known to be good in helping with diabetes. Benefits for skin. Fig fruit is a rich source of vitamin B, vitamin C, phosphorus, and essential minerals which are beneficial for your skin health. The antioxidants in it rejuvenates your skin and keeps us free of skin disorders. Benefits for hair. The vitamin E in figs is great for your hair. The calcium also is the precursor of collagen that constitutes the hair. No surprise then that you will find figs in conditioners and hair masks quite often. Apart from eating figs, you could also use fig oil for your hair health. Helps lose weight. The high fiber content in figs is good for weight management. The fiber helps regulate the digestive system of the body while providing a feeling of satiety at the same time. Substitute high sugar content fruits like mangoes, grapes, pineapples with fresh figs in your diet.